Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to edit template in Notion. So let's get started. Step 1. Access Notion. Connect to your Notion web portal or open your desktop client. Add a new template by clicking Add New and select Searching for Templates. Choose a template like To-Do List and click Get Template. Explore the template settings such as layout and column properties. Adjust the layout by changing it to a list, board, or other formats. Modify column headers and types according to your preferences. Customize cell properties such as selecting different types or defining URLs. Edit the group layout to change the display format. Explore different layout options available for templates. Make desired changes and adjustments to customize the template to your liking. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!